everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to open my Ipsy bag. This is going to be my next to the last bag. I've decided I need to use up all the samples I have for my sample stash before I move. That's my goal, to use all those samples up. And the reason I got the Ipsy bag was to get samples for sample stash. So that's why I'm going to cancel. I'm going to wait one more time because I have some points to use up. So I'll use up the points next month and then I will cancel. Now I did buy an add-on, and it's this set of 5 brushes. Very pretty. MOTD, makeup, what does that stand for? Makeup of the day, I think, or something like that. Let's get these brushes out. I really have a ton of brushes. I need to go through them. That should do a declutter of brushes, shouldn't I? Oh, those feel so nice. Very nice brushes. That's what they look like. So, alright. I don't remember what I paid. I'm sorry. I don't remember. And here's the bag. Did we get a card? No card. These might be inside the bag. This is a nice vinyl. This is a nice vinyl feel. Yeah, we got a card. March. The future is female. Alright. Okay, it's just telling you can buy add-ons. Alright, let's see what we've got in here. Alright. Okay. What I see looks pretty good. First, I have this face cleanser. I think I'm going to hang on to this and not put it in my sample stash. I think I have a plan for that one, so I'm going to hang on to that. I also got this Cocoa Kind Resurfacing Sleep Mask. There we go. I got a Lauder Slay All Day Lip in So Good. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Do I need to open this up? Am I going to keep this? I don't think I'm going to keep this. I have so many lips. I don't think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to pass it on to somebody else. I got an eyeliner, and this is $19.99 in Lustro. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you even see that? Oh, this is right up my alley. I like that. That is very nice. And then I got a blush in Camilla. Let's see what this looks like. Here's the blush. I love that shade. I tend to gravitate towards these shades. And it says please reuse the packaging, so you can easily lift it right out and you have a cute little tin. Cute, cute, cute. Alright. So not bad. Not bad. I like the blush. I love the liner. The liner is my favorite. These are okay. Like I said, I'm gonna pass that on. See if my mother-in-law might want it or somebody else. And then I have a plan for that. I'll put this in samples. And I will put this in samples. And I will put that with my makeup. So that's it. That's everything. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.